Okay, consider this data set here where a bunch of students had set for a test, and the result of the test is in column B. And you can see a few of them actually fail that test. And this student who failed the test are required to sit for a retest. And the retest results is reflected on column C here. The idea is to copy the retest result into column B of the failed student. One way to do obviously will be to copy each cell, Ctrl C, Ctrl V like this, but this is long-winded and tedious. Another way I hope you will not be suggesting would be to select everything in column C like this, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, but that will lead to losing of data here because over here the blank spaces are, or rather the blank cells are being copied over to column B here. I'm going to undo this guy here. The correct way to doing this is this. You select every results on column C for every student like that, and you press Ctrl C and then right click on B2 and then paste special. On this paste special pop-up, you're going to put a check next to skip blanks and click OK. And now you can see that those cell that has a numeric value get copied over, you can see, but the blanks are left alone.